Hi friends, welcome to my matchday blog. So it's a beautiful ground, Rans Cricket Academy. ನೋಡೋಣ ಮನು 50 ರನ್ ಹೊಡಿತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಬಿಲ್ಡಪ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜಾನ್ ಸರ್. ಹಾಯ್ ಜಾನ್ ಸರ್. We have our big man Saurav, and there you go Dr. Abhishek. Hello. So you know he played for under 16 Bihar team.
So hello Dr. Venki, what's your strategy?
So we won the toss, so we to back first.